I'm Scott Breckenridge, and welcome to my world. It's a pleasure and honor to share with you the investments Legend Brands has made in our manufacturing and warehouse facilities. Normally on a day like today, we'd be bustling with activity, but to keep safe, we're filming this on the weekend. So come along with me. I'm going to take you on a tour of my world. The investment Legend Brands is making for our future growth doubles down on our commitment to providing our customers with the best engineered and manufactured products that money can buy. It started with a bold vision. It became a complex plan, and that plan was executed right in the middle of a pandemic. Much of the investments we are making is into cutting-edge technology, tooling, supporting equipment that produces repeatable, high-quality parts that improve manufacturing efficiencies. Let's look at some of the additions we've made this past year. Perhaps the most significant investment made into production is the Engel 2500 dual-barrel injection molding machine with fully automated robotic arms for loading and unloading inserts and parts, automated material blending system, a FAMIC, a fully automated tool exchange platform. Most of our tools now are going to be weighing 48,000 pounds. What I like most about the Engel, though, is the cycle time, 90 to 120 seconds, as compared to our traditional rotomolding of 48 to 62 minutes. The Engel Dual 2500 is repeatable, holds extremely tight tolerances, produces high-quality parts at an incredible rate. We all know about the supply chain issues that have caused delays in the parts and the deliveries, and we expected that. But with the Engel investment, the Engel will allow us to keep up with those demands, put us in a favorable position during the higher demand situations like a hurricane. Additionally, this investment will allow Legend Brands to develop and bring products to the market faster than previous capabilities. As part of our automation vision, let's go visit our new automated assembly line and cobot robotics. So now we're standing at our automated production line for the HEPA 700. Again, this was part of our vision and plan we spoke about earlier. We are incorporating robotics, cobots, and automated lines into our manufacturing processes across all of our facilities. In our Prescott, Arizona facility, we are using robotic welding for manufacturing of truck mounts. Here in Burlington, we're adding automation, cobots to our assembly lines. These are not just labor-saving tools, but their repeatability and consistency to perform manufacturing tasks to exact standards and specifications make for a superior and higher quality product. Another aspect of automation within our production environment is our building next door, which houses our automated material conveying systems for all the injection molding machines in both buildings. Also part of this bold vision to serve our customer and support them, we identified a need for more space, a lot more space. In October of 2020, we doubled our footprint in Nashville, Tennessee, with the opening of our new 80,000 square foot distribution center. Here in Burlington, we added a new 88,000 square foot high ceiling building. It incorporated high-tech capabilities, including semi-autonomous forklifts, wireless handheld transactional pods that use sophisticated MRP software. This allows for real-time material tracking, processing, and inventory accuracy. Many of you know that in addition to making parts for the cleaning and restoration equipment, we mold and manufacture performance automotive aftermarket cooling fans and accessories. Our Flex-Lite products recognized as the brand for automotive enthusiasts. While making significant investments into this state-of-the-art manufacturing, it's important to note we remain committed to the most important asset, our people. We pride ourselves in having the very best design and production engineers, advanced technology group, sales and ops groups, production supervisors and production planning, purchasing, safety, and all those other supporting people out there. Most important, our manufacturing people, those that build those high quality products day in and day out. We're committed to providing a safe and rewarding work environment. This commitment has resulted in employee retentions. We have many members of our production teams that surpass 10 and 15 and 20 years of service. Thank you for taking a few minutes to let me show you my world and facility and talk to you about our new bold future here at Legend Brands. This vision's designed to increase our manufacturing capabilities, serve you, our customer, and we thank you for your business.